So what I've done so far is install the cable housing from the bar end shifters, as you can see in the previous video. Cable housing goes from the bar end shifters through the bars at the bottom, comes out at another hole also on the bottom of the bars here. It then twists round and then has to come down on the same side of the frame. So you cannot cross it over the frame here, because the frame will not allow you to cross the cables down further below when it crosses the bottom bracket. So the cable housing goes from there to the frame. Then I've also installed cable housing at the back here to the rear derailleur. Now before going any further, I need to install a cable guide that goes over the bottom bracket. So the cable guide that's going to be installed is this, which can also be purchased from Chain Reaction. 4 come in a packet, and that will be now installed. Okay, so when tightening it, it does seem to find its own position in between these two welds over here on the chainstay. So I'll just tighten it in there. Okay, now we can run the cables. The cable will go down through the bottom of the, or underneath the bottom bracket, through the guide we have just installed. Like that. The cable is once again just fed through the front derailleur, or the bar end shifter for the front derailleur. Exactly the same way as I did for the rear derailleur. Cable then goes under the guide and then to the rear derailleur.